Have you been mining YesCoin? If you have, then you have to do this to grab the mystery box. So what you do is you click this part here, then you click your skin. So now you need to unlock most of these skins which are here. Okay. By doing a couple of tasks. And after you do them, you need to claim the mystery reward. So I've actually claimed all these. So you need to click get. So I'm remaining with being X. Click get. So I'm waiting on it to load. Okay, so they're saying retweet YesCoin X being event. So I click start. Alright, you'll be taken to X. So this is the post. I have to like it and repost it. Then I need to like and forward channel post. Click it, click start. Now what I'm doing right now is what I exactly did with the other scans. Okay, I'm gonna click start. So I simply like this post and then click repost. I'm going to choose a person to send it to. Obviously, there are those contacts that you have on Telegram. So I'm going to send it to load period. And it has been sent. So I'm going to click now YesCoin. And all the tasks have been done. So I can hit get skin. And I have actually collected all the skins. Now, after you are done with this, you can now hit claim. You see now that this is active, right? Go ahead and claim the mystery reward. Check out, I've been given 1 million coins. So go ahead and make sure that you accomplish this. Good luck.